type in Illustrator. Let me explain what the role of Illustrator is. Illustrator is not to write books. We have a program, InDesign. It's good for laying out text, but it's still not made to write books. There's Microsoft Word, OpenOffice. These are to write books. Google Docs, maybe even to write a book. And then we copy, paste them into InDesign. Illustrator's role in the situation is to create like decorative fonts and decorative type, maybe for the cover of the book, for chance. If you're working for a magazine, maybe you're looking for those big, bold headers, or the font starts dancing around. We use Illustrator to play with words, and that's about it. Now, that being said, let's kind of look at some of the features here that we have that some of the other programs do not. I'm going to go to the ellipse tool. Click and drag it out. And then I'm going to switch this over so it has a border edge so we can see it. Now, let's go to the Type on Path tool. This is actually located in InDesign too. I would say and almost have an argument that it's a lot better in Illustrator though, because you could do a lot more with the text. Okay, so we have the same features in InDesign. We have these little arms, and the arms state where things go. Like here's the start and end to a line. Now I can put the start and end wherever I want. I can put the start and end over here to here, here to there. Doesn't really matter. It also has the ability, just like before, if I need to, I can highlight this text and I can go over to paragraph and center the text between the two start and ends. And then I can use the white direction selection tool to play around with this. You notice this one actually shows up a little bit better than it does in InDesign. It's a lot easier to find, this little tail. And you can see this by going real close. And this is what I'm playing with. I'm moving that using the white arrow. And why is it so much powerful here than it is in InDesign? Well, here I can like play around with the idea of bending the curve. So here I got the curve. Okay, and if I manipulate the curve in any way using the white arrow, the font comes right along with it. I can't directly select anything in InDesign, not as far as points are concerned. Here I can. So I can make some very unique turns with the text. Okay, that being said, we can also do things with shapes that we couldn't do before. Let me make a new shape here. Okay, again, I'll just switch that over. There is an option in here called Type Area Tool. If I click this, I can now go notice it stays within the actual confines of the circle. Okay? And again, I can manipulate the actual curve itself to produce some very unique design here. So I can lay out text based upon shape. And that's very powerful. All right, some other things. Actually, so this one is going to be called Manipulating Text Using Shape. And then I'll make another video called something else. So please go to the next video.